Ever smoked a lasagna? If you haven't, let me show you the way. Fire up your smoker to 250 degrees, then doctor up a good quality pasta sauce. 2 jars, 1 pound of ground beef, onions, garlic, spices, aromatics. Throw it on the smoker for an hour. Next up, do your ricotta mixture. Ricotta, 2 eggs, various herbs, cracked black pepper, Parmesan, salt. Next up, layer, sauce, noodles, ricotta, sauce, mozzarella, more noodles, more ricotta, sauce, noodles, more sauce, top off with mozzarella. Next, I'm using Spiceology's pizza blend. I know it says pizza, but it's perfect for lasagna. Back on the smoker at 250 degrees for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Look at that bubbly goodness, just starting to get golden on top. Let it rest for about half an hour. I know it's hard, but look at that cheese pull. Garnish with a little bit of basil, 1 more cheese pull. Hope you enjoy.